Good morning, students. I am Gayatri Shirpurkar. Today we are going to start a chapter number 2, that is a logic gate. So in this chapter we will discuss about the what is a basic gate, which are a type of basic gate, that is a and, or, not, then universal gate, then the truth table of that basic gate and universal gate, then what is a Boolean's law, what is a De Morgan's theorem. So this type or topic we will see in this chapter number 2, and the total marks allotted for this chapter number 2 is 18 marks. Okay, so this is very simple chapter. So in this chapter, first we will see what is a logic gate. The logic gate are a basic building block for forming a digital इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट. मतलब हम जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट देखते हैं उसमें जो आईसी रहते हैं तो उस आईसी को हम लॉजिक गेट कहते हैं. विदाउट दिस आईसी वी कैन नॉट रन द सर्किट. So the name logic gate is derived from the ability of such a device to make a decision. मतलब वो जो डिवाइस जो हम लगाते हैं सर्किट में लॉजिक गेट, तो उसकी एबिलिटी रहती है कि वो टेक अ डिसीजन, वो क्या डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. सो एग्ज़ाम में सिर्फ लॉजिक गेट की डेफिनेशन पूछते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ लॉजिक गेट. मतलब लॉजिक गेट हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? टू मेक अ डिसीजन और टू मेक अ वेरियस ऑपरेशन सच एज एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन्स. सो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ गेट, बेसिक गेट एंड यूनिवर्सल गेट. सो बेसिक गेट आर AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and universal gate are NAND gate and NOR gate. So these are the two type of logic gate. So first we will see what is a basic gate. Basic gate means what? The gate, by using this gate we can form a universal gate. Okay, so these are the basic gate. So basic gate are the three type: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So in example the question will be like this: draw the symbol and logical expression for a OR gate. Means you have to draw the truth table and symbol of that gate. So the first gate is NOT gate. So this is the symbol of NOT gate. Okay, here is the input side and this is the output side. Here we can apply the input and from this side we will get a output. Okay, so this NOT gate is also called as an inverter. Means if you give a input 1 we will get output 0, and if we give a input 0 we will get output 1. So this type of inverter or gate is called as a NOT gate. Okay, this NOT gate has a one input and one output. This is one input and one output. Okay, and output is a complementary of its input. Complementary means inverse. Okay, means when input is high means 1, if you apply 1, or we can give a input high then output is low, that is 0, means no output. Okay, and if the input is low then output is high. So this is symbol of NOT gate, and this is a Boolean's expressions, means at the output what equation we will get. So y is equal to, here the y is the output, y is equal to a bar, means a complement, input complement. This is a truth table. In a truth table input is given and output is given. A is the input and y is the output. If we give a 0 input we will get a 1 output. If 1 input then output is 0. Okay, this is IC. IC 7404. This IC we use in circuit for performing NOT operation. Okay, so this is called as a NOT gate. This IC has a 14 pin, 7 this side and 7 this side. Okay, here 7 pin indicated ground, and VCC means we can connect this pin to power supply, and this ground pin we can connect to 0. Okay, so at a one pin we can apply the input, and second pin we will get a output. Okay, same third input output, input output. In this way we can connect the wires. Okay, so next is AND gate. So same, and this is a symbol of AND gate. Okay, here is a 2 input. For AND gate has a 2 input and 1 output. Okay, and this is a Boolean expression, y is equal to a and b. ANDing means we can multiply these 2 input. After multiplying we will get output. Means this AND gate has a 2 or more than 2 input and only 1 output. Means here we can apply the more than 2 input, but we will get only a 1 output. Okay, so this is a Boolean expression, means we will get output by a multiplication of a 2 input. This is a truth table, means how we can perform the operation by using this IC. Here it's a input and output. By this AND gate, or to this AND gate, we apply the 2 input A and B, and we will get a 1 output. If we apply the 0 0 input, means after multiplying 0 into 0, output is 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. So according to truth table this operation is performed. And for this NAND gate we use this IC 7408. Okay, the first, same, this IC has a 14 pin. Same, one pin is used for input, second pin is used for output, and third pin is used for, first pin input, second pin input, and third pin is output. So same 4 5 6. According to this connection we will apply the input and output. Okay, so the IC number is 7408. This is for AND gate. Now the third gate is OR gate. This is a symbol of OR gate. Here we apply the 2 input A and B, and we get a 1 output, same as a AND gate. Okay, but the difference is OR gate perform only addition. Same, it has a 2 input or more than 2 input and 1 output. Okay, and the OR gate perform a addition function, means this gate add the 2 input and we get a 1 output. This is the Boolean expression, y is equal to a plus b. The 2 input is added. This is a truth table. Here is a input and output, 2 input A and B and 1 output Y. If we give a 0 0 input, means 0 plus 0, output is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. According to this the gate will perform a function. For this OR gate we use a IC 7432. Same, this IC has a 14 pin. 14 pin is used for VCC, means we can connect this pin to power supply. Without this pin connection we will not run this IC. So this is very important. We can connect the VCC to power supply and ground to ground. Okay. So in first chapter we have seen what is positive logic and negative logic. Positive logic means if we apply the 0 we get a 1 output, and negative, positive means 1 and negative means 0. Okay, so same positive logic, and perform a ANDing means multiplication operation, and OR perform a addition operation. Okay, so binary logic, positive means 1, binary 1 and binary 2. Okay. After that we will see a universal gate. There are 4 universal gate, but basic universal gate is NAND and NOR. The exam will be, the question in an exam will be like this: what do you mean by universal gate? Okay, and what is a universal gate? The universal gate means by using the basic gate we can form a universal gate. Okay, so first is a NAND gate. NAND gate. NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. ओके, मतलब AND गेट एंड NOT गेट को हम जब कनेक्ट करते हैं तो हमें NAND गेट मिलते हैं. ओके, द बबल, दिस 0 मीन्स बबल इंडिकेट इट्स अ NOT ऑपरेशन. Okay, so the Boolean's expression, this is symbol of NOT gate, sorry, NAND gate, and this is a Boolean's expression of NAND gate. Y is equal to A ANDing B complement. Means the function of AND gate is multiplication and NOT gate in complement. And this is a truth table, means we apply the 0 0 input. First we perform a multiplication, then complement. 0 into 0 0, but the complement is 1. 0 into 1 0, but the complement is 1. 1 into 0 0, complement is 1. 1 into 1 1, but the complement is 0. So this is a truth table. This is very important symbol, truth table. And for this NAND gate we use IC 7400. Okay, same, this pin has a 14 pin. 14 pin is connected to VCC, 7 is ground, and 1 pin is connected to input, 2 pin input, and 3 is a output. Same NOT gate. NOT gate is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. This is symbol of NOT gate. And NOT gate, this is the expression of NOR gate, A plus B complement A, or we can say a bar. This is a truth table, input and output. There are 2 input, A and B, and Y is the output. First OR gate and NOT operation. Okay, OR gate is used for addition. 0 plus 0 0, but the complement is 1. 0 plus 1 1, complement is 0. 1 plus 0 1, complement is 0. 1 plus 1 1, complement is 0. So this is a truth table of NOR gate. Okay, for this NOR gate we use a IC 7402. It's a 14 pin IC. Okay, then after that we see XOR gate. Okay, so this is symbol of XOR gate. In exam we have to draw this symbol. Okay, and this is the expression. A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, so how this operation is performed? By using a truth table. 0 plus 0, 0 means by this expression we will get a output. Okay, so this is XOR gate. XOR means the input, and we can perform addition of two input or subtraction of two input by using this gate. Means we can add the two input or we can subtract the two input. So this is called as XOR gate. Okay, so this is the expression. According to this expression we will get output. Okay, for this XOR gate we use a IC 7486. This is a 14 pin IC. Same, 1 is the input, 2 is the input and 3 is the output. Okay, now the next is XNOR gate. XNOR, okay, means XOR gate and NOT gate. XOR gate and NOT gate. So this is symbol, expression and truth table. ओके, आपको समझ में आया होगा कि ये एक्सप्रेशन से हम ऑपरेशन कैसे परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज अ ट्रूथ टेबल. इन एवरी गेट द symbol, expression and truth table is very important. Okay, this question will be asked for 2 marks or 4 marks. Draw the symbol, truth table, logical equation of XNOR gate. Okay, एक A कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स इफ़ यू अप्लाई द ज़ीरो. ओके, तो A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट मतलब यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, 1 1 और यहाँ पे 0 0. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? अगर 1 1 इनपुट दिया है, 1 इंटू 1 एंड 0, आंसर क्या आएगा? 1. एंड फॉर दिस XNOR वी यूज दिस IC 74266. Okay, so this is all about the basic gate and universal gate. So thank you for this lecture.